Alright, hey, this is another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got a box from Malaysia. Yeah, that's right, Malaysia, ladies and gentlemen. This box is from MyKuali. They've told me their new varieties. Let's crack into it, see what they got. Alright, what do we got here? First off, we have an envelope. Let's see what it says. So basically they're saying we're pretty sure that you've tried our cups and bowls of these new varieties, and actually I haven't yet. Today I tried one of the cups today, and I was planning on trying the other one this week, so kind of a cool thing to try before leaping into these extra new versions. Yeah, check that out. This is the new MyKuali Gaeng Som. I don't know. It's a Thai dish, and it's sour and sweet, but I don't know. It's probably a... Now the children are going insane, ladies and gentlemen. It's a fancy new one, and the cup version was quite good. So I'm really looking forward to the pack version. And yeah, and this is one of the new ones from MyKuali. And the other one being, that is right, for all you vegetarian fans, this is the vegetarian Penang white curry, and I'm absolutely... Are you a vegetarian fan, Miriam? Yeah? I'm absolutely thrilled for this because I've had only one other Penang white curry that was vegetarian, and I freaking loved it. So I'm guessing that MyKuali is working their magic and it's going to be pretty darn good. So yeah, cool. Thanks for shooting these over. Alright, cool. This has been Hans, and this has been
Mimi.
Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one.
Bye.